Brown Mogotsi, you are not going anywhere. Not anytime soon. On today's court for Northwest businessman and alleged political fixer Brown Mogotsi will remain in custody until June 2020, after his case was postponed to allow his legal team to present new facts in support of a fresh bail application. His legal team requested that the matter be transferred to the bail court to allow for a new bail application based on what they describe as new facts. The matter was postponed until June 2020 for the bail application to be heard.
On bail.
Matter has been set down today for a disclosure. The state has prepared a CD and the state is handing over the CD to the defense, which is the disclosure of the docket and as well as the charge sheet.
Your Worship, the instructions that we hold this morning, Your Worship, is that the matter be transferred back to the bail court. The instruction that we hold, Your Worship, is that we intend on bringing a bail on new facts. We have this week presented those particular new facts to the state.
This comes after Magistrate Annalise Tlapi denied bail last week on Thursday, June 4. She said Mogotsi had provided 3 different residential addresses and failed to prove where he lived. There are 3 different addresses provided by the applicant, Tlapi said. The applicant failed to prove before this court that he has a proper address. The court ruled that Mogotsi could not be reliably traced and might evade trial. The interests of justice do not permit his release, Tlapi said. Mogotsi faces charges of perjury, defeating the ends of justice, unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition, and discharging a firearm in a public place. The charges stem from allegations that he staged his own assassination attempt in Vosloorus in November 2020. His lawyer, William Sekgacha, previously argued that the address discrepancies were minor and amounted to an honest mistake. The only discrepancy is how these particular numbers follow each other, he said. It was an honest mistake. Sekgacha said the address had been provided by Mogotsi's wife and confirmed by traditional authorities. He maintained that the issue alone was insufficient grounds to deny bail. "We are not satisfied with the decision," he said. "The applicant obviously has a right to appeal this particular decision to the High Court." The state opposed bail, alleging that witnesses saw Mogotsi stop his vehicle and fire shots at it before later claiming there had been an attempt on his life. Prosecutors also alleged that he provided investigators with false addresses, delayed cooperating with police, and attempted to bribe an officer involved in the case. According to the state, CCTV footage showed no other vehicles in the area at the time of the incident, while investigators struggled to trace Mogotsi after receiving reports that he had died. The defense rejected those claims, arguing that Mogotsi had provided sufficient proof of residence, including an affidavit from his customary wife, GPS data, telephone records, and municipal documentation.